Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on overdraft protection using the Chase app. Let's get started. Open your Chase mobile app and log into your account. Tap on your checking account to view its details. Scroll down and select Manage Account from the options available. Look for Overdraft Protection in the menu and tap on it. If you don't see this option, you may need to enable debit card coverage first. Toggle the overdraft protection switch to the on position. Review the terms and confirm your selection. If you encounter any issues or don't see the option, you may need to call Chase customer service or visit a local branch to enroll in debit card coverage, which is required for overdraft protection. Once activated, overdraft protection will prevent you from being charged $34 fees for each transaction that would take your account below $0, saving you up to $102 daily in potential fees. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below. Thank you for watching.